What is going on, everyone? It's Cody with the K here, and we have another video for you today. Today I am putting the camshafts in the engine. We are doing timing chain, we are doing the tensioner, we're doing the guides, we're doing everything, putting the timing cover on the engine. Today is a good day, but I have a surprise. So remember I said I'm going to be doing a staggered camshaft setup? Let me show you what I'm working with. All right, so here we have a camshaft from a K24 Z7. Yes, K24 Z7 camshaft. This is an intake cam, and it's going in a K20 Z3 cylinder head. Over here we have the regular K24 camshaft. Why am I gonna do a Z7 intake cam in my conventional K24 4-port cylinder head? I'll tell you my thinking, quick. So this cam in a K24 Z7, they rate it at 205 horse. And remember, there's only 3 lobes on one camshaft in a K24 Z7. So I'm thinking, if it can make 205 to the engine with just the one intake cam with the 3 lobes and then the other cam just single lobe, what would it make in a K24 A2? So I said, screw it, let's try it. So we're trying it. So what I'm doing here is I'll tell you, I don't care to tell you, I don't mind to tell you guys. So you have to run the intake cam, 09 TSX, Accord K24 Z3, that's the code. Z7, which is 2012 to 15 SI. So here's the camshaft. So you need to run the camshaft, and you also need to run the gear. You have to run this gear as well. I don't think you can run the other gear. I will try, but this is how it is now, perfectly in line. So I will try to actually run the regular cam gear, and I'm gonna see exactly what is what. So give me 1 second and let me see what's up. All right, so we have the cam gear. So this is the regular K24 gear, and we're gonna slide it on. And okay, so as you see, here is the problem. So the camshaft is actually shorter than the regular cam shaft, like the conventional 3-lobe camshaft. So that's why you have to run the 9th Gen SI VTC gear. Because look, it's like touching, and then now our chain wouldn't be lining up. So we're gonna put on the other gear. So we put this gear on. So this is the 9th Gen one, and boom. Now there's clearance here, and now we're lining back up like we should. So there we go. So now I'm just gonna put the bolt in, torque the bolt, hold the camshaft with I think it's a 24 mil, and yeah. So I'm gonna do this, put the cam caps on. I'll show you a little procedure of how I do it, and yeah, I'm super pumped, peeps. I am super pumped. Then I'll show you how to time it and all the good stuff. Valve adjustment. Stay tuned, everyone. And honestly, thank you for the love and the support. I've seen people liking the videos and actually watching them. Like, shout out to y'all.